Okay, now start. Hello,
Okay.
good evening, sir. How are you?
Yes, good evening, ma'am. I'm pretty well. What about you?
I'm also pretty well. Now, after a long time, we are meeting. We used to make video,
Yeah.
we used to do practice, but now after setting down of Skype, now we stumbled
Mhm.
out and now
Mm.
we stumbled upon this time.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay, so how was
Okay.
your day and how is your practice going on?
Yes, my practice is not going well. Okay, and because since Skype app shut down, I have not been doing practice because I don't have any app to practice. Even I didn't know about GeoMeet. Okay.
Your mate. Okay.
GeoMeet. Someone told me about GeoMeet. After that, I installed. Then I
Mhm.
thought, I should practice. Okay. After that, I can improve and I get fluency because I I had forgot everything. Okay. I thought I
Yes.
should practice again. Okay. So I saw you uh, on the WhatsApp, WhatsApp group. So I thought,
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
my God, this is Seema Burma, and I had conversation with her. So I should practice with her. That's why I sent you a message, and you accepted me. So thank you so much, madam.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, actually now I have so many groups, WhatsApp groups, and instead of Skype, we have a micro Teams.
Micro
Okay.
teams.
Yes, instead
Hmm.
of Skype, because now Skype has been shut down, and after
Hmm.
Skype, we have micro Teams. So
Hmm.
yeah, so where we are doing practice, and we have WhatsApp groups. So if
Hmm.
we don't know, because you told me ki you didn't know about this type of teams instead of Skype, we were doing practice. Now we have this.
Yes,
And
I have actually. I had, team chat, but I can say, I have deleted. That's why I don't have any group now.
yes.
Okay, so if you have, please you add me so that I can practice over there.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I will add you after this conversation. And you have to download first.
Yes, I have, can say, I download it. I installed
Okay, you
it. Okay,
downloaded?
I have already. Okay, so don't
Okay,
worry.
you
Only,
downloaded. Hmm.
only you send, you add me.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I will try. So
Okay,
tell me
so
now what do you want? Do you want any topic? You want any question? You want what do you want?
oh
You
my
can
God,
ask.
sometimes I watch your video and you have been taking class from English Yari. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay. So
yes.
how long have you been taking session from English Ari?
Yeah, I have taken so many sessions with the English Yari, and we can say I have been connecting with the English Yari for 6 months, more than 6 months, because I didn't count. Because after sitting down now Sky, I was wondering, where should I go for practicing? So then somebody, actually my friend, suggested me for English Yari. Actually, Seema, now you are speaking. Actually, after sitting down, we didn't have this type of partner because we didn't know. So after
Right.
connecting with the English Yari, I removed my mistake. They are expert, and after connecting with them, then I have confidence. Now I can speak with everyone because I have spoken with the expert. So now I
Yes,
want to
yes.
do more conversation with the English
Mhm.
Yari, with the clapping go.
Definitely.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So
Okay,
that
okay.
is a
So, may
practicing. Hmm.
mhm. Oh,
Yeah.
that's great. That's great. Okay, so may I know that how many sessions do you take in a month?
Not a month. Actually, I have taken subscription. First, I have taken subscription of 16. Then I completed for 2 months. And then I
Okay.
took 24 sessions. Within
Okay.
3 months, I have completed this. And
Mm.
now I am left videos, 5 videos. And after uploading these videos, then I will connect again. So depend on
Hmm.
person. Actually, depend on person because
Okay.
after connecting, after paying money, then we are given some times. Yeah, suppose you have taken 16 sessions.
Okay.
So you
Hmm.
have to complete this within 2 months. Okay.
Okay. Within 2 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Depend on you. If you have time, then you can take 3 sessions in a one day. Okay. Depend on
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That is good. Okay. That is
Yeah.
good. Okay.
But
Hmm.
within 2 months, you have to complete. Otherwise, it can be spoiled.
Mhm. Okay, okay. It is rule and regulation. You have to
Yeah.
follow
Yeah.
it. Right.
So, yeah, and now I have videos because it was about to complete it. Then I thought I can connect and I will upload video gradually. And now I
Mhm.
have 4 videos for uploading. After uploading, because if we keep storing this type of videos in our phone, in our laptop, so we can say phone can be damaged. Phone can be damaged.
Mhm.
So now after uploading, then I can get
Mhm.
so many space for collecting
Mhm.
videos because I want to upload source, not more videos.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
today actually I have uploaded. I upload one videos in a week and two, three
Okay.
shorts.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got. Okay. So, what do you do after taking session from English CRE? Do you teach? Do you have some students or not?
Yeah, I have started teaching. So now while teaching, I am getting money and this money I am spending to English Yari. So I
Mhm.
don't feel
Mhm.
burden because English Yari little less expensive. So
Okay.
now
Okay.
I
Yes.
can
Yes.
say I'm
Okay.
not spending my money while teaching. I am learning this language because if you teach some students, then you can learn how to make sentence because that is also practicing.
Mhm.
Hmm? And
Definitely.
while connecting with the expert, we can remove
Mhm.
our mistake and we should have knowledge. We can get so many fluency and knowledge, everything. And without hesitation, we
Mhm.
can teach to student. So now I have
Definitely.
this idea. I want to
Mhm.
get more and more ideas and fluency and
Mhm.
knowledge because
Yes,
they
yes.
are expert. They are
I-
public speakers.
And I can see your improvement. Really, you have improved a lot because when we had first conversation, we were not you were not able to speak too much. But nowadays you have improved just because of from English Yari, and you must have connected with lots of person, right?
Yeah, yeah. Now I can connect. Actually, I have booked one session for 5 p.m. as well. After you, I will have to connect with other person.
Mhm. Okay, okay. So
Yes.
earlier, because nobody didn't know about you, but nowadays, after taking class from English Yari, lots of person know about you. This is Seema. This is Seema Verma. This is Seema Verma.
Because,
Okay, I could have
yeah,
conversation. I could have conversation with her, right?
yeah, maybe. I
Uh,
don't know.
mm. And
Yeah, actually,
so many learners, reaching to you.
yeah, now I'm getting lots of messages like you sent me message. Now I have
Mhm.
one for 5 p.m. So now I can
Mhm.
say I have confidence. That's why people are approaching me and they want to make video with me. So initially, because
Mhm.
when I started 1 year ago, we met, Skype.
Right.
So that time
Mm.
I started the journey and it was initial time. Initial time, nobody is a perfect, I can see. So I was
Definitely.
practicing and you
Mm.
were YouTuber that time and you uploaded 2 videos. That time I did corrected. I stopped my journey. So
Yes,
because
yes.
I was not
Mm.
perfect, I was
Mm.
not able to give answer.
Mm.
So then I thought I
Mhm.
had to
Mm.
practice. If somebody wants to upload my video, then they can upload, but not for my videos because it's a time of practicing. So now I
Right,
have
right,
started
definitely.
again uploading videos
Mm.
and now I am
Mm.
uploading shorts mostly. So I have lots of videos of English Yari and other person, but I thought ki I can upload more shorts and 2 and 3
Mm.
videos in a week.
Yes, yes, definitely. If you upload in short video, then you will get subscriber, and if you upload long video, then you will get you know watch time.
Yes, in short, I am
So
getting one. Mhm.
what about your YouTube channel?
Yeah, now I have completed 1K and I have uploaded 200 videos.
And what about watch time?
Watch time, I didn't complete yet. So I have to get time
Okay,
for these because people,
okay,
actually, I can't say about people, they don't have time. And now English CRE is flooded in social media. There's so many people uploading English CRE videos.
right.
People are
Yes. I,
confused. Hmm.
hmm.
Actually,
Yes,
they are confused ki which video I should watch. Hmm?
definitely, definitely, definitely. Earlier, very less people were uploading video, to from the English Yari. But
Hmm.
nowadays, every person is uploading video from
After
English
setting
Yari.
down of
People are
Skype,
confused.
after
Hmm.
setting down of Skype,
Hmm.
people are approaching English Yari and clapping go. Hmm.
Definitely. Because the people don't have any way to improve English. That's what they thought, I should take session from English Jari. Even I thought then I should take session. But the winter season going on, that's why I'm not getting time. Okay, but
Okay.
in summer season, definitely, I will try to take session so that I
Hmm.
can improve. Okay.
Okay.
And
So
it is
how?
true, if you take session, if you learn, definitely, you can improve your English.
Yes, you are
Okay.
right. So how
Because
is your
learning
YouTube
English.
channel going on?
Yes, my YouTube channel is going on well, and when I went to my at my native place, I can say in India. So I stayed for 5 months at my home, and I started making blog video. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah, yeah, I have seen.
that's way, yeah. I have completed watch time and subscribers, so that's why my channel has got monetized. So I'm very
Oh, wow.
happy.
Congratulations.
Now I have completed $1. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, right. So I'm so happy,
Wow.
man. Just
Very
because of
nice. Kudos to you.
hard working.
Very nice. Actually, I didn't get this type of chance. I have to do more and more work. Maybe my channel will be monetized and I will get money from
Mm,
YouTube channel. But
definitely.
actually, there's so many people uploading videos. So
Yeah.
if you actually feel ki, yeah, your channel and watch time and subscribers, how long have you been doing this work, uploading
It's
videos? Hmm?
it's been I think 1 year. It's been 1 year
One
when
year,
I gave
okay.
you message first time. Okay, I started my channel at that time. Okay, but I was totally beginner. I didn't know how to edit and how to make thumbnail, but I
Mhm,
have learned to do everything. But I was
mhm.
consistency at that time, but nowadays I'm not consistency. Okay, this is a
Okay.
matter. Okay,
Yeah,
but
I can
somehow
understand.
my channel has got monetized.
So now you are
Okay,
getting money
yes, I'm getting money every day. I'm getting money 20 rupee, 25 rupees like this every day.
every day.
According every day, according the beach. YouTube, you will give you every day. You know, uh, you will able to see on your YT studio. But unless you complete $100, okay, YouTube will not give you. Okay, when you complete $100, okay, YouTube will send you in your account.
Okay.
Okay, dude, the first you have to complete $100. After that, definitely you will get. Keep patient. Okay, one day
Yeah,
you will
I'm
get.
not so hurry because I'm not like you a person ki I can get money.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. Don't think like this. Don't think like this. Okay, Definitely your hard work, your hard work, will pay everything. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a time
Don't
of
lose your
practicing.
don't lose your hope. Don't lose your hope, madam. Okay.
No,
Keep
no.
passion.
How many subscribers do you have?
I have 1233 subscribers.
1200. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. But you have completed your watch time. That is the reason. Main thing,
So
watch time.
when I started uploading blog video, to one of my video got viral, and I got 3 lakh views.
Huh.
Okay, within a
Okay.
month. Okay,
That's why you got
that's
monetized. Your
why.
channel got
That's why.
monetized.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's why my channel
okay.
has got. Okay,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I am lucky person. I'm lucky person. I
Yeah,
hadn't
you
thought
are
that
lucky
one day.
person.
Yeah, I hadn't thought that one day I would become a YouTuber. Okay, but see, this is my result. Okay, whenever I used to get free time earlier, I used to practice. Okay, I never give up. So this is my result. I'm getting
Yes,
result now.
yes. You are
Right?
right. So your
Hmm.
result now paid off. Well, how are you
Oh
feeling
wow.
now after getting from English from YouTube channel? What are you feeling now?
Yes, I'm feeling so well when I get up in the morning time. First, I take my mobile, then I check my what studio, how much money, did I earn today. So I checked, oh, but
Okay,
today says I have a
everything
25
is
rupees,
sold
30
in
rupees.
YT Studio.
Yeah, every day you can see.
Okay, okay. But yeah, I didn't complete now. I can't see because my daughter she keep watching, mommy, you have to complete this. You are not uploading videos, you are uploading shorts. So we have to upload everything, shorts, videos. Hmm?
Yeah, shorts and long. Okay, we have to upload. Okay,
Hmm.
but try to upload if you have time. Then try to upload every single day. It is also good.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
But I upload
Clear.
shorts. Hmm. Sometimes shorts, sometimes
Yeah.
up. Hmm.
Hmm.
It means that we
Sometimes
have to
short.
active. We have to active on YouTube channel. Hmm?
Ma'am, if you have time, so please, 2 minutes video. Okay, upload 2 minutes video for YouTube channel. Okay, 2 minute, 1 minute, 15 seconds. What I do when I go to my pigeon farm. Okay, actually I'm a trainer. I'm a trainer. I'm a pigeon trainer. So when I go to my pigeon farm, okay, while cleaning, while working, just I make video. Then say, hello guys, you can see I'm in pigeon farm. I'm working here. It is morning time. It is 9:30. It is 10 o'clock. Okay, so I speak a lot. Okay, so
Okay.
this way also I have improved a lot because when I was beginner, so when I started making video, so I could not utter a single word. Okay,
You
so
were,
I made my
yeah,
habit. I made my habit to speak.
yeah. Actually, we need
Okay.
environment. If you have environment, then you can speak impromptu immaculately. But now we have a WhatsApp group. We have to speak like a practice. That is not, we are not feeling that is our mother tongue. We can speak like our mother tongue Hindi. If we feel ki now our mouth always speak English, then we can see ki, yeah, now we are habitual of this language.
Yes, yes. Actually, what happened, man? Actually, we are Indian, so we speak, always Hindi language. Okay,
Mhm.
that's why our mouth, you can say is not twist. Okay, this is the main reason. Okay, we
Yes.
are not become habitual to speak English. We have to speak Hindi every day. Even my side, sometimes when my boss comes, I speak Arabic language with my boss. When my
Okay.
friend comes, when I go to my friend room, so I speak in Bhojpuri language, Maithili language sometimes, Hindi language
Okay.
sometimes. What I do, I have to speak lots of language.
So
Okay.
you are polyglot person. You know so many languages, huh?
Yes, I know. Okay, I know 5 language, and I can
Five.
speak five languages.
Okay.
Maithili, Hindi, Bhojpuri, Arabic, English, Hindi.
Which
Okay.
language do you get difficulty?
Oh my God. When I came here, so when I started learning Arabic language, so I learned Arabic language very easy. When come to learn English language, so according to me, learning English is very challenging, madam, because there
Mm.
are uncountable verbs, advanced, advanced vocabulary, basic vocabulary, idiom, prior, everything. Okay, I think we can't learn in a whole life everything, right?
Gradually
It
we
is
can
too
learn.
much.
Mhm.
It is too much difficulty. It is not
Yeah,
learning English. It is not a piece of cake, but we have to learn somehow. Okay.
yeah, you're
No,
right.
no one is perfect. No one is perfect in the world.
Mhm.
In the
Yeah,
world, no
yeah,
one is perfect. Okay.
yeah.
But if you try, so definitely we will learn more thing. You will improve more English. Okay.
Yeah, if you feel ki that is a burden, that is a pressure, you can't learn. If you feel ki yeah, now we are speaking like that, and we can, after connecting with the person, we can catch new words and we can copy other person. While watching other videos, we can catch them.
Mhm.
Then we can improve. Otherwise, we feel burden, monotonous, like a
Mhm.
school student. Hmm?
Right,
Because a
definitely.
school student, they always feel ki after completing 1 year, then we have to jump to our next class and we can complete
Mhm.
this process keep going on till the inter. That is
Mhm.
not like that. We have to practice.
Mhm.
That
Yes,
is a
yes.
mother tongue. We get knowledge.
Mhm. Right.
Now we are able to make sentence about past, future, and
Mhm.
present.
Right, right.
So we
Definitely.
need knowledge and
Mhm.
something. If we want to polish our conversation, then we need some vocabularies, idioms, this type of.
Mhm.
So gradually we
Definitely,
can
definitely.
grab everything, and now we
Mhm.
should actually glad ourselves ki now we are speaking, and you are polyglot person, you are speaking so many languages. But in my
Mhm.
case, I'm learning this English language and I'm speaking Hindi language because the Hindi language is my mother tongue. I
Mhm.
have been
Okay, okay.
speaking Hindi since my childhood. So now I can
Mhm.
say. And now I keep waiting for this English language. Ki, yeah, I feel ki that now I'm habitual of this language. Then I can understand ki now I have completed. And once we can say
Mhm.
now if we are going on a road, that we can say our road has been stopped. Hmm?
Mhm. Right,
So
right.
our English
Okay.
level
Mhm.
can be stopped once when we feel, yeah, now we
Mhm.
have to speak only.
Mhm.
Like now we are feeling
Mhm.
like a foreigner. We can connect with every person. We are able to give any
Mhm.
answer impromptu. Yeah.
Right, right, definitely. Nowadays we are standing beside the road, and we are about to reach on the road. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Yes.
definitely one day we will reach on the road. Okay, and we have crossed the road one day. Okay, the thing is
Yes.
that we have to be consistent. We have to practice every day. Okay, it doesn't matter
Yes.
how much work you have. Okay, if you don't have lots of time, so even if you have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, okay, so practice. Okay,
Hmm.
speak your mouth, speak English and practice over and over, so that
Yes.
our twins will become habitual to speak English.
Yes. So now we have to practice until we are habitual of this language.
Mm, right. And we have improved a lot. We are so happy. In the
Yeah.
starting time, when we didn't know helping bar, what is the helping bar, vijama, do,
Hmm.
does, everything, we didn't know. But we are consume, we are using nowadays without thinking. Am I right?
Without thinking because we keep speaking and while connecting with the person then we automatically use this type of everything. Hmm? And now I am
Right.
using active passive without thinking I can use. Initially it was very difficult because I was
Okay.
learning how to make it's a very long time I have completed my school day, so now I
Okay.
have to
Okay.
learn again.
Mm,
I know
Okay.
how
Okay.
to make, but when we say about speaking language, it's
Mm,
very difficult because we have to give answer. And I
Right.
guess English is a very different. We can keep our book and we can learn while watching book. and we can
Mm-hmm.
give our examinations, and then we feel
Mm-hmm.
after getting our number, then we feel, yeah, now we got pass. But that is a language. If we don't, after connecting with the person, then we should we always think, oh, he was very fluent and he has knowledge, and now I want to copy with him. And after watching a new podcast and this type of advanced level expert videos, then we always feel, yeah, I should copy. I should copy
Mm-hmm.
them, and
Yes, yes.
I try to speak. We can say we can try
Mm-hmm.
to speak. Hmm?
Mhm. Definitely, definitely. Sometimes we feel like this, okay? We speak, better than me. So sometimes, we feel like this, okay? So I have
Yeah,
to copy it, right?
yeah.
It
Set
happened.
with
It happened.
practice. Yes.
So, madam, so we have entered in 2026, okay? Then what did you decide? What did you
Yeah,
decide?
now it's January going on. I have to decide so many things because I have completed my 1K in 2025, and now I want more than 5,000, 6,000. So for this, I have to work hard, and I have lots of plan for doing. I have started teaching, then I want to store my spoken class board because
Okay, okay,
I want to get lots of students online, offline, and
okay,
yeah, there's so
okay,
many
okay.
plans I have. But yeah,
Okay,
I
so how many students? How many students do you have nowadays?
online five and offline four.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Mhm.
At least you are doing something for improvement your English, for improve your
Yeah,
English, right?
yes.
That's
Actually, if
great.
we do
If you
something,
teach,
hmm,
if
yeah,
you
if
teach, definitely you will get knowledge.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Even I have also students online. I have three students. So I teach them in the evening time. Okay.
Okay,
So I'm also
okay,
getting knowledge.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you want to become a big YouTuber, am I right?
Big YouTuber, not actually. I want to be a eloquent speaker and famous YouTuber, and I want to help that person who wants to learn this language because I faced so many problem. Initially, it was little less comfortable for me, but yeah, now I'm getting knowledge with the English Yari, so I want to impart this knowledge with them who really wants to learn this language. So I have actually said I have uploaded my number, WhatsApp number, where if somebody wants to join me, they can send me message, and they I can add them in my WhatsApp group. So they can get a
Mm.
involvement because now we have involvement,
Mm.
then we should help that person who wants to learn this language. So yeah.
Yes, yes, it is true. It is true. And you are investing money, so definitely, it will work, for your future. Okay. And
Mhm.
investing money is the foundation, for getting success. Okay.
Yes,
So you
money
are
actually,
you are
money
doing
riches have
great
been.
things.
We can say money riches have been. Kamala.
Right, definitely. Hmm. Right,
Yeah.
right. So when you got your first time fee, when taught in a student, when you got first time fee from the student, so how did you feel at that time?
Yeah, it was very trepidating for me because I
Hmm.
didn't have knowledge. I was teacher 10 years ago. I had a knowledge how to teach, but it's a long time period. And first,
Okay.
when I started teaching, then I was fumbling, but I told them, कि, hey, if I made any mistake, if I
Okay.
make any
Okay.
mistake, then you can see me. That is a practicing time because I wanted to join a school. And then I
Okay.
thought I can do practice at home while teaching. I can get this chance for joining any school. So then I
Okay.
told them, I actually now I'm learning, and I want to get knowledge from you. You are a student. I'm also learning. I'm not a student, but yeah, I want to get knowledge from you. You also can learn. I'm also can learn. So we
Okay.
can
Okay.
kill two birds with a one stone. So now I have idea how to teach, how to ask, because asking
Mhm.
question is also art. Hmm?
Definitely, definitely, definitely. Suppose we are here. If I don't know how to ask question, if you don't know how to ask question, the how when how we can do conversation.
Yes, yes,
Of
yes.
course, if you keep on asking question, if I'm, I'm sitting in silent, okay, definitely you will think, oh my God, Israel doesn't know how to ask question. Definitely, you
Yes.
will not have conversation with me again.
Yes, and sometime actually when we connect with the person, then like we are connecting, and you are seeing me, and I am seeing you. I am waiting for your question. You are waiting for my question. Video can be spoiled. So we actually we
Definitely.
should give answer and give ask question. Everything we should know because this type of
Definitely.
video is uploaded. Huh?
Right.
Okay,
Definitely.
sir.
So this video is recorded, I think, 30 minutes. Am I
Okay,
right?
okay. Yeah, sir.
So I
Yes.
think it is enough, and thank you so much for giving you your valuable time.
Thank you. Yeah, I also feeling like
Okay.
that.
And
And we will
definitely in
connect
future
next
we'll have
time.
conversation.
Yes, sir?
Definitely.
Yes. Okay. Till then, take care.
Okay. So
Keep practicing.
bye.
Have fun. Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you.